I'm a pharmacist and I haven't been sick in years. Here's why. First, I swear by elderberry syrup. It's loaded with antioxidants and immune boosting properties that help my body fight off colds and flu faster and more effectively. Whenever I feel something coming on, I take it and it works wonders. Another staple in my routine is Hey Girl Feel Better tea. It's my go-to for keeping my immune system strong and feeling my best. This herbal blend helps me fight off colds and keeps me going. You can grab it on Amazon. Next, I use propolis spray. This bee-derived powerhouse creates a protective coating in my throat, packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that stop germs before they can take hold. It's an absolute must, especially during flu season. Lastly, I take Host Defense My Community capsules. This powerful blend of 17 medicinal mushrooms works together to boost my immune system and support my overall wellness, helping me stay healthy year-round.